Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Tapswap wallet connect option not showing. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. In this case, whenever you're accessing your Tapswap wallet here, you might notice that the connect or connect wallet option might not be showing. So in this case, there are a few things that you could do here to probably fix this issue. So first things first is you want to guarantee that you're using the latest version of Telegram here. In this case, what we need to do is we need to open up Google Play Store here, and you want to look for Telegram. Now from here, you want to look for any update buttons next to it. So if you do see one, go ahead and click on update, wait for it to finish, and from then on, you need to access your Tapswap wallet. Now also another thing that you need to check out for is your internet connection. Now if your internet connection is fairly slow or unstable, then most likely that is the cause of the issue. Now I would suggest you to switching over to a different connection, like for example, if you're using your mobile data, switch to a Wi-Fi connection, or vice versa, if you're using your Wi-Fi here, switch over to a mobile data. In this case, once you're sure that your internet connection is not a problem here, another thing that you could do here is to basically clear your cache. Now in this case, you want to look for Telegram here, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon next to it. From here, you want to click on clear data at the bottom right here and click on clear cache and OK. Now you want to also click on force stop here to close the actual app and open it up again. Now once you've done that, you want to look for your Tapswap here. Let's go and open it up. Let's go ahead and click on play here. From here, let's go and expand this further. Let's go and click on it. And it should actually show you the connect wallet at the top right. Now sometimes the option itself might not be available on the top right here. It might be in the task section as well, so make sure to check that as well. But again, usually it's going to be at the top right here that says connect wallet. Now also, which is something that it is actually out of our hands, it might be also one of some issues or server issues for Tapswap, meaning the issue itself is from Tapswap and you just need to wait for a few hours for them to fix this issue, especially if you're in this case, if you know someone who has Tapswap here and experiencing the same thing. It might be some server issues here, so you just need to wait for a few hours. They will also announce this in the community page if there are any problems on the server, but in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.